That was incredible. I never thought I'd see anything like that, so that was incredible.
It's a solar eclipse. It's a fantastic experience. Daylight gradually gets dimmer and dimmer to an uncanny degree. The birds go nuts, and then the shadows. The shadows have crescents in them. Even though I didn't have the foresight to get the glasses, there's still other ways that I could have actually viewed the eclipse by pure coincidence, just what I'm wearing. Between the parasol and the hat, that's actually everything you need to get a projection.
Yeah, it was brilliant.
It was incredible. Like, it was so different to what I think I expected. I didn't realise the sun would be moving in such a direction. It was so cool.
And just the community coming together, seeing the amount of people that came was brilliant. Atmosphere is very cool.
There was a greater degree in light reduction than I'd expected, actually, for a partial eclipse, because normally you need to go to a total eclipse to get really dramatic effects. But there was a sensible, almost cooling and dimming just at the moment of totality here. And so I was very pleased that people who'd come out were able to experience that. I must say, I was a bit apprehensive that because there'd been so much talk about it all over the place in the lead up, that people would find it a bit of an anticlimax if they may have been expecting more than actually was. But really, I think, as a partial eclipse, this really delivered. It was successful. And I think it helped that there were a number of us here with our various telescopes and other equipment that sort of to look to them and talk to them as far as possible.
I think we'll be hobbling in for the next one.
We're still spring chickens.
We're still spring chickens. We'll come in on our,
in our little Zimmer frames.
Yeah.
But we'll be here.
Absolutely.